CCTV Lone Rashapi Daka Frank Motors Ka Jaka Bengalee Ka Bathamai Jungka Tata Motors Halat Gor Ni Shillong Ringkat Bakanet Foodish Ordar Mapi Nginwan Ramani Hakir Dobying Jompi
Khasi Students Union Pok Jingalam Jong General Secretary Usamla Donald V Thabang Hakasi Palai Kesantrik Ujemang Aracara War Hiar Sekejela Manipur Ban Lejengo Iki Khasi Ki Basong Wasa Iki Lightly Shnong Jong Negajela Hakane Jing Lejengo Ka Beningkong Hakashnong Garam Kha Khasi Ki Khasi Ki Basa Hakane Shnong Na Du Usnam Kat Kandai Spa Live Kandai A Bat Ki Badon Kompasau Po Hadu Sau Santli A Ki Rempe Yeng Ilaya thu Shikinoy Lam Ka Khasi Students Union Halor Ka Jingsha E Ben Hak Sarkar Manipur Ka Bam Shimla Tuklar Satya Ya Ka Kyntur Port Jogi Jai Penrio Bengalee Ki Basong Basa Markhab Bat Ki Khasi Hakini Jela Hakini Jingle Jingo Jong Ka Ki SU Ki Khasi Ki Bala Buhai Shnong Ha Kashnong Kidanger Khasi Ka Bahap Apo Ka Tamenglong District Jong Ka Jela Manipur Ka Kunhunum Kubor Jong Ka Bati CTV Ka La Yo Alat Ban Tokit Pnya Ya Ki Jing E Ki Bai Khasi Ki Ya Kendu Hakini Ka Jela Dakisnem
This place will be going to which place we don't know. But what we want to concern, we discussed with the Jerbam DC as well. Whether they want to put it at the Jerbam or whether they want to put it in Tamenglong. If we recognize, then who will whatever who do the encroachers, let him go ahead. I mean, let them done back. Let the aiming become as the owner of this land. Only after that, the second step is whether the state government of Manipur will say that this is Tamenglong or this is Jerbam. That is the second issue. That is also we have already made known to the Jerbam administration, Jerbam DC. They also understand that, but the situation is still going on like that. We can't say anything what exactly is going on. But the main thing, you people go ahead and discuss with the CM and totally explain them all the routes, because you have already documents we have already given by the aiming. You read through all that ones, and from the with this under the Assam, this one before the statehood of Manipur, this land is located to the aiming Khasi. They have a document as well. You produce that one, and then you can say that yes, this land should be under the aiming. And if that one is clear, then the rest we can step next. We can do next. The issue now, Jerbam become as a district. They try to expand the district as well. So the boundary situation is not clear by the boundary commissions of Manipur. Where is going to be someone say this is a unsurveyed land and this is a surveyed land. Surveyed land and unsurveyed land, it doesn't matter for the hills people. Hills area is not a surveyed land. Because we pay a hill house tax, even the aiming and they all are paying a hill house tax. But documents and everything is clear. But the situation is this: the one who live nearby, they have a little bit more power with the administrations, backed up by the administration, so they try to capture the land. That is the main issue. Yeah,
They are a majority tribe here in Tamenglong, but they do not belittle. You do not belittle the Khasi minorities. Instead, you act as an elder brother to the Khasi people. We are very much grateful to you. The brotherhood between the Khasis and the Nagas is age-old, I can tell you. In Shillong also, there have been many instances where the Khasis and the Nagas, irrespective of organizations, but even common people, they used to work together. Be it, there are things that I cannot speak out here in the open also, but there has been understandings between matter of life and death. We had a very good rapport with the Naga Students Federation, and we are not only as colleagues, but we even became friends. And I would like to thank each and every one of you that you are our friends, you are our guardian, the guardian of the Khasi people here. We will continue working together forever and ever, and we cannot repay what we have done for our people, but what we can assure you is that we will also be there by your side if there are any issues, any problems faced by the Naga community.
I'm very grateful today that we could have such a beautiful moments together where we share our grievances, where we share our ideas, where we hear, where we could get the grievances of the people, of the difficulties that are being faced today by our loved ones today here. As I said, it is not by mistake, but it is with the purpose that our Khasi brothers are here. We live in such a beautiful place. As we drive up, we can see the beauty of the land, and this is not a mistake, as I said. Our Khasi people are placed here by the one who created us with a purpose. It's a great challenge for all of us here today, as we reach here today. Just 3 villages, not much population, but able to fight, able to stand and defend the land, the territory their forefather had, entrusted upon them. The challenge I take today is that I should follow, we all should follow the footsteps of this tribe, the Khasi tribe in Manipur. Despite being a minor community, you stood for your right, you stood tooth to nail, you never compromised, which is the reason we came here today twice. We have to take a stand. We have to help one another. I know Khasi and Romai, Khasi and all 4 tribes are different. Even so, the tribal rights, the tribal lands and resources should be protected today and in the future. And being the convener of the Joint Tribes Student Association, I, on behalf of the 4 tribes, I will just simply assure to extend all possible help, be it manpower, with financially, morally, whatever help required to defend and to protect the land and resources of our Khasi tribe. We will stand for them. We will always be there, as always.
I Kichnong Abang Punji Khasiang, Chongapot Gilbam District, Manipur State. I the one sini nang kat kende sofa, embedding to 1940. Jadi gimana gaya penting na penting yung i so penting ba na. Kamte i is 12 one sini kamte kat kende le phau kende emisan yu. Dahde ni te em kat kende nru phau emi phrai. Dado kan ni emi so phawi yu ko Abang Punji Khasiang yung ka Snongri ko Gilbam District. Ini kami yang ngan senen kiburula kis yang sarong baik ini bahak tu juga ini jinang percaya dia. Kamte, kejing em kejing yo yang I kawas yang jam rentam, bah I kewacong apa ni Manipur, I wasnya kam kiru puji. Kat kiupani yang ka sedut trak yang kasih lah orang dia. Kau kong tam nanti usnya CE, neba bon kikon kinat yang I para yang I bawa pure kecil bon ki. Pan government employer MU ki pet ki cepat mereka liya kita pakai. Kamju nak kamte. Pacem citom ki I ni yang ki hilaf stek every man thau ki riulum ki chong apa ni ki. Naga ki mar barok. Nang le tengka hilaf stek ngading kamjim kemoy nga. Haduk pratengka siung. Haduk kan rutengka siung ngadang lai ka kontet ka. Kani government yang Manipur duduk man yang kiu and Biren Singh maniu Bobi Singh chief minister yang arjar khat le dekhang no ka yung hilaf stek. Kamut manakang ki hilaf stek kini kiri lum wo chong ni claim no do khon no hi ka thau. Te ba de I chem chi tomi ba nyo de pe su ya ka te hilaf stek. Nyo ya ka te ka ST I government employee arji. Kecil apply man kini kamang gale di kedagar le man poe hete tebul man pat ki ba kini ara mesti kecil sendon ke kota sudah pula to ajile ni ba kini ka sedul tak mahal yo i kena yo ni penting le kam le jam kena yo ni kena kendro ni nang puri yo te kan kira suka ne lam yo bele yo tam te da certificate ST di man itu pun.
Wan ini kos nyau kembali ke buar di Jom kan ini Manipur kita jongi. Ila nyau tak sang Jom hai. Tibi mai chong minority ini tang ka hok jong i do hoi do doi ka. Dang ba i de brak weli de pada central badi wan put iki kan pa jong i ki be jong i wem tai wan put iki wan rai ini. So one rap EP, come New York at the Hawk Jong P. Sam P, WM Tawani, Manipur, Hanju Doctor Men, Padok Osnam, ikut por M Lang Lok P. For M Jing Storm Jing 2 Bile P. One Puntib by Chi, it is 5% put por M por Lok P, M Lang Lok P. Au Bak Paul Slah. Oh, dah jo update how ngah kutpor, jingga problem cani ga isu yang kita Manipur. Terusnya komen ada ne, yo ke central body baru one sini, yo ini kmat yang ki kamno, kajing citom yang kitnal wasat sini kan. Yo lu di cekmat, ham jo dokumen, ubiang no cekmat. Ulek ke cak kau cak abor yang ulek baru yo ke hok yang nal wasat sini, mayut chong minority le, yo ke hok yang Atiwan war wang ki penajung i wasat sini duna aktif duna hai be lechnong MP tang jintinli PM kam hai MP menentilang i prapi sitom bu chong pai example pai bi chabrak weli yong i kam nu jing reti dai bon ga jing le job i ka lechnong pi MP le bona jing job ang yo pi chakmat tang den tilang prat nong pi chakmat yang bon miat bat kini ini kon suyong pi le yo ate posuk chakmat wai blai pi ura yo biang kam ura chakmat ham jo do konmen ida poi kini ura lang ini tu le ka cha bor di
Ini thore dong i isang sistem kat bor ini la ya te ban lebih di na plan ki Jangan ke police station kita nang ke police station baik ni. Nak kata dah ke isi sistem plat bor. Nak urusan memang ke ikut government sesekali Manipur kamu dia ke Manipur yang ini hendak ikut dengan minority mau ikut itu sah. Lese kamtet cuman dah dia ikut yang ini telik di bor. Em kita tahu yang tahu rep tahu ki tahu bom tahu di menelik di bor kamu sia em lebih kita kamu report ci police tiket police akan am te iston international fancy bon poi kam pigi prasnam kesu yo jirat kam ni mana poi de pigam ni te hafid no pigi yo pi plan i get project prasnam product prasnam kam nur kom chong bai yar to chong re chong to el Manipur lang ba ka kok government e gustem dikere international kan na poi di usnem arajar i usnem nado usnem sinar kendes pak so pau chong apa Manipur yo odar yang hipor yo intit moi tan kot yo se dan nado ada kot iju chongi ter dio stomi tibai pi lotus nem da Bengalee kamte ado poi eviction man u permit igi da po thau man u beno lang ba poi sen man poi sen yo jirap ni yo de man ura apa eviction order u be ra iti wan ki kesu lang ba produk prasnamu i pen MP project prasnami yo ke bor jadi kile bor i teman yo kat ayung ta chong kele se kata hini soya kada kor Khasi le ki wan kita ke bor jimut em ule ida ke bor on ki be snong be ra em inte man le em ni lumi thaurat thauki pai na tu kamte de dangi klo de thang wan ni te ra di post tet post ni lang ba ka te kam nu le man le ti post em yo bor de le put di post ki man de put di post ki te wan ki te poi di police lam poi ka te poi di police te poi warrant order saken en ki roba ini yang exactly ki wei chan ki ni ate matip tam ong putih tu ni ligar yang ni ya jerban ni macu
one social worker ni kosong ke kosong. Ki man ye dai se, eda cuma problem. Ya tes ni arlai, habis ni kata lai, man yo phone di siro, emale, orang di lai, melai kan tetep orang di pai, pil kong pi, rat pi, siap bor bis tahu bro, hem tip kinarim, em kot selaki orang yok so Islam, ki ulai klan ni ki. Ki kam ni le bor ba itel orang di man, orang ba serkar melai mat ka klan penjam ko, penjam i, ka yuk ka rat yang i benar, scam, kam kuat le bor. Tang let saya mendet bite, siap kalah. Kam siap kalah, ichutom ni tiap ichutom. Am chutom ni tiap sah. Mentelai cepat kata cepat polis ro, yo ko pai ke kot to piwo scam, piwo biang. Ham juk siap dia pi dong tu. Kam tu cuta ga mai tu nok siap. Tang aden man, dak waktu ni siap kalah. Men siap kata men lebih report lai polis. Isam chutom plan bor kat, usan ni chutom. Ater kom. Dengar memyok perampi tip di pai ko Islam te sah. Mai sem chutom tet. Tapi kami sen pi depois bite. Ada lai po umpur chu CM le. Chief Minister Wani Manipur. Ada kamter em resket oleh board Fambori. Wasnya komen sibon mau wanra iga vi agreement. Nado komentu kita ro song national ki minority. Minority ki menung GM hu em lai chnong bro. Kena thau bro. Ki kat yang ki. Man pana vi agreement yang man sup. Let's say man ki po area yang dam de vi nong unap si abor. Akwa man terpat pidok kate. Mana vi agreement no siam lang ba kani area yang kim hadir di start modif siap. Nah terpat pidok kate man yo kate order vi no siam viren agreement. Nah do mentu ke area Khasi la kamrengga la abong punji la kada dengar. Masnya stem i project. No wat feel sino komen man chong kam tesa. Ile se man yo chong da gosuk osan. Rapor ichtomi Jan ke Jerbon. I choi po area district Tamenglong kate. Menelpon JDC to onggi. Ham kamera ki ham lai re. Atau yang pi administration yang Tamenglong. Tekile siang tak borak dispute choi. Kil sang he ki. Ma chong po district Tamenglong le. Ma chong po administration Jerbon le. Sakar Manipur widom to I kada chong po area Tamenglong I man. Apa tip babor stadi si yang Tamenglong emle yang Tamenglong.
JP Chembai kam kani kapon mentok tang ka boru blai sket arpoi thmu poi perkhat re aktif re man kamnu kemo pi kat nitai ri ikat chini ri na kemo pi kuyu parapi ijat islam pi ona MT prajai prasnami chem chitom ni pli polio pole paki te ikat nus nya kemeni te na kaliang ka chnong kuyu o man behe chnong te man nga pi kun thai nga he yo te nga chnong nga chong ha po chnong nga pai nga yo ka jing chi tom ka jing seja baro nga chem ka la do snem a hajar nyau ka te ka jing elek kes ka te ka jing elek thma do dekut te por nu pu yu pliong ka chi to ka tu dalai ka keleng chi infal dalai ka sa Tamenglong dilek ka te jidir ka wile ong te pli emini pradok prasna minik sei naga student pli ki kan usten de poi ka chnongi yerapi ye klami khana lai ki chen biren yerapi te malai pemban ki pli le ki ator ijat ikhongi kamlong I puyu parai malai ki le mana poi tai khmat nang ong sarkar Manipur ki phi tar ijat yang phi tar ijat yang phi te chibon ong ki le do ki te ka bor jigri rapi do bukut te ka tu ngayo sekhiat no kecing kemen sekiat ngai pire por ngai dia ma metia iki kam ni blai sekiat kata kecing si tom sekiat chemaka iku yu para le emre arhut chendram ubi chong cha sam tu wi chong ini em nong yarap em nong kerchan renga tani kecing kut benai kut snam chemaka ndap nru benai de phone police poi ndap nru benai de poi khobor na gau o kamte ute gurima na penyap ya na yo kamu lihat maham baik ki, ikriak ubi itu kriak musle, kat no maham wingi, ute kriak lembar kan, ute nang ekobar, Manipur nang yelek cakmak, ute kriak ini nang ekobar iki, maham baik dengan tetap orang pi, kada poi pegam ni, dapat jengkemen, tu belai wirabu, ngai yang katu ikami yang katu yai.
Woi! 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 Islam